Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful flower painting with alcohol inks. Alcohol ink are special type of inks that are available, and usually we mix with isopropyl alcohol to create this beautiful painting. And I also use some gold leaf, some acrylic painting and other things. It's like a mixed media, so I'll show you step by step. And I'm using this photo paper, which is a glossy photo paper. That is, I usually make the painting on the back side of the paper. And you could also use other papers, synthetic papers like Nara paper or Yupo paper. And alcohol inks will look good on either glossy paper or synthetic paper. And another thing is some safety tips have to be kept in mind while making alcohol ink paintings. You should make it outdoor or in a well ventilated area. And this is the blending thing, 91% isopropyl alcohol. That's what I use to blend the alcohol inks. So first step, we will make a small center of the flower using acrylic paints. And later on we'll do the alcohol ink paintings. So this is for the center of the flower, and I don't mix any water while using this acrylic paint, just straight from the tube. And using a thin brush, I draw the center of the flower. I used light green, yellow and some black. So the reason I'm saying is that you should make the alcohol ink paintings outdoor is because there are toxic fumes that is coming out of the paints, and that is very harmful. So it's better the fumes escape into the air. That's why you should do it in a well ventilated area. In fact, outdoor is the best option. So for the center of the flower, I'm just making little dots with the thin brush. After the center of the flower is done, you let it dry for some time, and then we'll start with alcohol ink paintings. These are the alcohol inks that are available in the small bottles, and I usually add the alcohol ink on the side on a piece of wax paper, so you can easily control. You can dip the paint and add on to the drawing paper. And instead of using brush, I usually prefer to use a piece of wax paper which I roll into a tube like this, so I can easily dip the tip of the paper into the paint and add on to the drawing paper. That way you don't need to wash the brush. It's easy. After the painting is done, you can just throw it away. So add little drops, and once the drops are dry, then we will add the isopropyl alcohol. So the drops are dry. Now in the small bottle that you see, that is the 91% isopropyl alcohol. I just add to the drops and then I just blow it with the air puffer. This puffer I got from Amazon. You can search like air puffer or something, then you can find this product. So basically you just add the blending solution and then just blow it. And this is totally abstract flower. You can make it with any color that you want or in any shape also. It doesn't necessarily have to be this particular shape. Abstract flowers can be in any shape. So it's up to your imagination. And make sure that once this layer is complete, let it dry before you add the next set of dots. So that's very important to let each layer dry. So the first layer is completely dry. Now I'm adding another set of dots and repeating the same process. So make sure each layer is dry before you add the next set of dots. wanted to add some gold leaf to this painting, so I'm using some school glue, lightly applying dots of school glue and then applying the assorted gold leaf that I got from art store. You can just press the gold leaf with fingers or with a piece of paper and then dust off the excess gold leaf. And one thing to remember after when you're making gold leaf paintings is that you let the painting dry for a couple of days, and then there is another product called gold leaf sealer which is available in the market that you need to add on top of the gold leaf area to protect the shine. It just seals the area, so it will be protected from dust and other things, and the shine will be retained. I wanted to add more gold, so I use this metallic gold watercolor, which is the brand Finetec, Finetec. That is the brand I use, but you can use any brand of metallic colors, even acrylic colors is okay. Anything that you have metallic, I just applied with a thin brush. Now we are almost finishing up with the paintings, and I use this Cali Art alcohol ink markers to draw the stem of the flower. But again, if you don't have this also, you can use any marker that you have. It doesn't really matter. So just use green color and add the stem.